Right. What we got here, we got an intake that we about to unbox. No, European. I'm telling you, European. Alright, this is the intake. BMS. Burger Motorsports. Alright, then this should just be filter. Hardware and everything. New piece. And that's it. A 2-piece. Okay. It's going to replace the actual air box, but you're going to keep the bottom half of the air box. So this is just going to sit in there just like this. And the bottom half of the air box is going to be still intact. Yep, so you see? This is going to replace this piece and this top cover. This is going to stay. This is going to stay. Oh, but you know what I got?
What you got?
Got the intake scoops. Got the intake scoops. So the scoops is going to come right underneath this right here. So it kind of mimics a cold air. Let me grab the scoops out. Got the scoops. So they're gonna sit inside the kidney grill. So you're gonna see a nice shine light of red. I'm gonna do that after we do the intake. What's this right here?
Oh yeah, I think that's one.
Yeah, it's right here.
Yeah, that's about right. So just that top piece gotta come on.
Not bad, right?
Not bad, not bad.
Yeah, you know, a little streetinc tuning we doing over here.
Yes, sir.
Something super light. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put the actual filter on first.
Okay.
It'll be a lot easier.
Yeah, you just gonna have to disconnect this piece. Look like it's gonna fit directly in there too. You got the 2 screws for it.
Yeah.
So yeah, you good.
Take that off.
Disconnect that and you good.
Yeah. See, it's German. I need a hex. Got screws. Take these up.
Regular
Phillips.
Just like that.
Yeah, like that. Hey man, we'll intake. Baby upgrade. Give me 30 extra horsepower.
About 30, 35, yeah.
Yeah, I heard 40 if you tune it right. Bumbo. Alright. clamp this guy on first. Because the thing is, I'm just channeling this air straight in here.
It's all the way loose.
You want to just try to hold the bottom of this for me?
Yeah.
I don't want it too tight either where I break the clamp.
Yeah, I think you're straight like that.
I'm supposed to have a little play, but I don't want it to pull from here. That's the money. Alright.
Back up the sensor.
Alright.
Like that.
I don't want to break now. With the gloves, man. Come on. What do you fix here? What do you fix?
Yeah, fix it. Yeah, here like that.
Let's not break it. Let's not break it.
There we go.
I don't see nothing on the bottom. Besides these four. So I'm gonna just take those out.
My fault, right? He's not doing like that. I know. My fault, bro. I had a feeling you come through. I saw him pull up a little bit. You got like 10 minutes. Yeah, I saw him pull up a little bit. Yeah, man, I can't play. I got it. You did not for the night. Oh, yeah. What's that, bro?
Easy peasy, lemon squeeze. Okay. Try to do that. Tight fit. I need to move this out the way. Put some pressure on it. Sit like this for a couple seconds. Just
What's his name? It's slow. It's just the neck. It's like touching this. It gotta be like right here, Trav. It gotta be like right here. It gotta be like right there. What up, man? And of course, the real thing.
My guy. What's up, baby?
What's going on?
Make sure we out here, you know.
Oh, right through the hole, Trav. That's crazy.
Beach sauce. screw. What does this do?
Oh, no, that was in here.
Remember, that was through this. It goes through this and it holds it in.
In the middle, in the middle.
Start she up.
This one right here?
Boy, move fast.
Bro, I'm not playing the game. He's ready to go. He's ready to go. Tighter?
Yeah, these things are turbo. You gotta have them things tight.
I wasn't trying to tighten it too tight with it, but
When you're dealing with turbo, you gotta tighten up everything. Cause this shit will lose air, and then when you're trying to boost past somebody, this shit gonna bug. Yeah, these things are need to be tight. See?
Sound good though. Not like that.
Yeah, yeah.